my 06 GMC truck. I've had about all I can take with the rattly tailgate, which if you've got an older truck, I'm sure it's the same. It's just constantly all that movement in there. It rattles every time you go over bumps. So they sell new entire hinge kits, marginal reviews, the latch is not being strong enough, etc. So I've come up with an idea here, and what I'm going to try and do is I tried by first just shoving it in there, not fastening it. And I'm just taking a piece of this is transmission cooler hose, and I'm going to put it in here because I closed the tailgate with it in there, and it seemed to do a great job. It doesn't rattle, it keeps some tension on it outwards. Originally they have a rubber stopper on here, but they break off, they rot, they disappear, and they bend. So I'm going to take some self-drilling screws, which I have a whole box of, and I'm going to screw through the pipe, through the rubber tube, put a couple of screws to hold it in place here vertically, and we're going to see. I'm pretty sure it's going to stop my rattle, but we'll check this out. Okay, there you go. Just two self-drilling screws. Hopefully they stay in there. We'll see. Might need some Loctite if they come loose. But both sides, I just put it flush with the top of the box and just below the pin. And I've tried it. It's amazing. So I'm just going to close the tailgate here, give it a shot, and look at that. No movement. It's not rattling. All of 5 minutes work. And there's the top of the tube, so there's just a little bit of back pressure on the tailgate, so it's always fine. And to open it, I'm just putting a little bit of pressure when I push, so I'm not going to put too much pressure on the latch. So anyway, if you're about to lose your mind over your rattling tailgate, take a little bit of that, put it in, and in 2 minutes, it's all done. Anyway, if you find this useful, please like the video and subscribe.